Sports and Medical Sciences Academy in Hartford will be closed again tomorrow. This comes after a student died after police say he overdosed on fentanyl inside that school. Hartford Public School officials met virtually with parents and guardians of students who attend the school. Fox 61's Gabby Molina joining us live in Hartford tonight with what comes next for the school. Gabby.
Ben, officials say that one sample from one room here in the school is still slightly over the detection limit for fentanyl. So that means that the decontamination process is going to repeat until there's no fentanyl detected at all. Now tonight, officials and experts met with the families of SMSA to talk about what the next steps are moving forward. In a private virtual meeting, Sport and Medical Sciences Academy families were given an update on the decontamination of the school building. Hartford Public Schools says that involves wipe sampling and analysis of the spaces where fentanyl was discovered and anywhere traces of it may have been dropped. But part of the reopening process also involves support for students.
Those emotional supports that are going to be offered to kids aren't going to stop just when school reopens. This is going to be an ongoing conversation.
Dr. Melissa Santos, the chief of pediatric psychology at Connecticut Children's, was among the speakers at the meeting, encouraging parents to have open conversations with their children about both grief and substance abuse.
I think the more that we create opportunities for our kids to feel comfortable to come to us, that we're going to listen, we're not going to try to fix, we're not going to tell them that they're in trouble. I think the more it creates opportunities that our kids are more willing to come to us in the future. Talking about substances isn't going to encourage kids to engage in substances.
Breaking the stigma, a priority for those who are pushing for Narcan to be widely available in schools.
It doesn't promote use. It does, if people have it, it doesn't make them use more or more recklessly. This is strictly in case of emergency.
The Connecticut Harm Reduction Alliance will be part of a task force the Hartford City Council plans to launch to create an education and prevention plan.
Awareness and training for everyone. There's a lot of incorrect information out there, so we really need to get the right information out,
while still giving the school and the community the time and space to heal.
We're looking at this tragedy that's almost too enormous and too heartbreaking for us to have good words to talk about.
Once the school is able to reopen, there's going to be new air filters that will be installed, and the custodial staff is also going to be cleaning the areas that had to be decontaminated. Live in Hartford, Gabby Molina, Fox 61 News.